Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in this Audi E-Tron key fob. The manual says you don't need any tools, but I actually think using a screwdriver is a little bit easier. And then you also need your replacement battery. This takes one of these 2032 batteries. And you can get these off Amazon. They're really inexpensive. There's a link below in the description. Okay, so basically you want to remove this key right here. So press down this button, slide that out. Now the manual says to put your key in and try it that way. And you definitely can get it. I think it's just a little easier to use a screwdriver. So basically you want to put it in like this and just pry up. This piece pops up. Once you got that off, it's pretty straightforward. Put your screwdriver right there. Put your new one in with the positive side facing up. And then this has two tabs that go in this direction first, and this just squeezes together. Put your key back in, and you're back in business. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.